Hello ladies and gentlemen, crypto deep divers. Welcome back to Weekly Crypto. Today I'm broadcasting from the Berry Spring in Yellowstone, of course, Wyoming. So this is a pretty interesting geyser. So it's like coming out like crazy. And today I'm going to touch on, look at all this noise. Look at all this sound, it's unbelievable, right? It's like crazy. I think it's dying down a little bit right now. And today I'm going to touch on Tesla. So Tesla has been pumping like crazy, right? And I'm not surprised at all. And the thing is, a lot of people think, when you look at CNBC, they talk about, I think last year when Tesla was 180 or whatever at the time, when the mainstream media is so bullish, it's not bearish, it's bearish about Tesla. And they basically, some of the CNBC analysts basically talk about why Tesla is more valuable than GM or Ford. The answer is simple. Because Tesla, you don't see this as a you don't see Tesla as an automobile company. Tesla is a technology company. So you see this as a technology company. So that's why it's different. They have self-driving cars, self-driving truck, and then also they have also the self-driving taxi, the robot taxi, the robotax, and that is basically changed the world how we do business. And with the self-driving truck, you basically will improve a lot of efficiency. And unfortunately, a lot of workers will be displaced. And the thing is, if you look at Tesla is an automobile company, you're totally wrong. And in terms of Ford and GM, I don't see any innovation from those two companies. Can you see any innovations from them? But in Tesla, you have also the boring tunnel. The boring tunnel is basically those high-speed tunnel. You can, if you have a Tesla, you go through the tunnel, and then you are going really fast. You don't have to avoid all the traffic, especially if you are in Los Angeles or New York City, right? And those tunnels, they already also have another tunnel building in, I think, near the in Nevada, in the Vegas convention center. So they're building all these things right now, and those basically change the way how we do business in terms of infrastructure and things like that. So I'm not saying you go and buy a Tesla right now. I buy only when people when they are fear, when they're selling, I will buy, but not at this time. I haven't looked at the market yet, so I don't know. And so that's why Tesla is not an automobile company, and this is of course more valuable than GM or Ford because they're too complacent. They're very complacent in terms of what they're doing, and I don't see any innovation. I mean, if you find that Ford or GM has some type of innovation, can you put a comment below? I couldn't find anything. And in fact, GM filed for bankruptcy back in 2008, right? Remember? Filed for bankruptcy, and all the people who hold the GM stock become worthless. Those are back in 2008. And I know some of my friends, they hold GM stock back then, and they filed for bankruptcy. They lose they lose everything basically. If you're the stockholder, you're going to lose everything. But if you are the debt holder, the bond holder is different. You're going to get something. But in terms of stockholder, you just lose all the money. Unfortunately, this is so unfortunate. So look at all this steam coming out in here. I think this is really, really hot. I don't know how many degrees Celsius. Definitely above boiling point. All this steam. And by the way, steam can also kill the virus too, right? And bacteria. And this is how they do autoclave. Autoclave. If you work in a lab before, you autoclave all this instrument when you do the lab experiment back when you're in high school or in college, right? So this is basically an autoclave. This is a natural autoclave version. So at this time, I think we should be very careful what the mainstream media talk about. And I don't know if you still remember, they're so bearish at the time. They're questioning about Tesla back in at the very beginning, basically. And people do not understand. They do not understand why they're such a valuable company. And also AI. We talk about AI, artificial intelligence. It's going to be the big thing in the next decade. And of course, Tesla utilizes a lot of AI technology, artificial intelligence. The self-driving car, self-driving truck, those are artificial intelligence. And in terms of AI, the growth, they can learn much faster than human, and they are also exponential growth as well. And so those exponential growth is unbelievable. So that's why it's important that you look at the big picture. So don't be part of the herds or sheep. Just listen to the mainstream media. They want you to listen to their own agenda, and you will lose money left and right. So if you follow you got crypto for quite some time, you know that do whatever the opposite the mainstream media tell you, right? You got to know the rules of the games. And I think somebody's stopping here already. Here, usually in this area, nobody stops, but maybe they're seeing I'm podcasting something, they think this is something special. They want to just stop. So look at this very spring. It's interesting. There's not that many people stop in this area, basically. And because when they see people stop, they will stop. They follow the crowds, right? I sometimes follow. I mean, I don't usually normally follow the crowds. I just let them do their work. So, but I think this thing is dying down right now. So this is pretty interesting. So let me know what you think about Tesla. So Tesla is not an automobile company. It's a technology company, and in terms of artificial intelligence, they are the top of the edge of the top of the line in terms of artificial intelligence. So please comment below about Tesla. Let me know what you think about this. And if you find this video helpful, smash the like button, subscribe to my channel. Also share with your friends. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out the upcoming videos. Also, you can follow me on Twitter, library.tv, and as well as Patreon. Remember, crypto deep divers. We the people take control of our money. Stay wise, stay safe, peace. I'm not your financial advisor. Investing in cryptocurrency, commodity, stock market can have inherent risks. Use your due diligence. Peace out.